Smart ways to make money during the holiday season. Thanksgiving isn't just about food and family. It's also one of the best times of the year to earn extra income. With higher demand, increased spending, and seasonal needs everywhere, this holiday season creates opportunities most people overlook. With the right mindset, Thanksgiving can become more than expensive, it can become profitable. 1. Opportunity starts in your mind. Your mindset plays a huge role in how much you earn during the holidays. When you focus on opportunity instead of stress, you start seeing ways to make money, seasonal work, selling unused items, or offering services people actually need. A positive money mindset keeps you calm, flexible, and open to trying new income ideas, even when something doesn't work the first time. 2. Earn before you spend. Most people see Thanksgiving as a season of spending. But a small mindset shift changes everything. Instead of asking, "How much will this cost me?" ask, "How can I earn during this season?" That shift sparks creativity, and creativity leads to real income. 3. Small habits, big control. Holiday financial success comes from small, consistent habits. Checking your goals daily, tracking side hustle income, and reviewing expenses keeps you in control when spending is everywhere. Simple routines prevent surprises, and help you make smarter decisions throughout the season. 4. Pause before you buy. Holiday deals are tempting, but not every deal is worth it. Before buying anything, pause and ask yourself if it supports your goals. That short pause alone can save you more money than you expect, and protects the extra income you're working hard to earn. 5. Think beyond Thanksgiving. Some holiday side hustles don't have to end when the season does. Pay attention to what people respond to, positive feedback, repeat requests, or fast sales. Thanksgiving is the perfect testing ground. By building connections, collecting feedback, and staying in touch, you can turn short-term holiday income into something that lasts all year. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more accounting tips.